How to download free ebooks from Google Books legally. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can download ebooks from Google Books easily just by following some steps. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to download the Google Books from a mobile device onto your device, you just need to type books.google.com on your browser. You may just open any of your browser which is suitable for you. After that, this kind of interface will appear on your screen. So here I'm just going to type in a book name. For now, I'm just going to type in market and tap on search. After that, I get a lot of option of books here. So you may just select any of the book after searching for the topic of the book that you like. After that, just tap on the book. I'm just going to tap on this book for now. But before that, before getting that book, I just want you to tap on this three dot here and turn on the desktop site. After that, you just need to simply tap on that book here and wait for it to be loaded. So here, if this book is free on this Google Books, you'll be able to find a download option at the side here. You will be able to find a download option very easily. So simply tap on download and download in PDF version. There will be an option called downloaded PDF version. You may just simply tap on that and wait for the download to be completed. And just like that, if any free books are available to be downloaded, you can simply download it from Google eBooks easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.